Hi, it's Diane. And thinking about setbacks and getting through them and having hope, one of the common denominators, no matter what the type of setback or the area of our life is that it's very stressful. That in our world, there's a lot of times where we just need to decompress, like. So breathing is really important. I have some people that when I ask them to breathe, just going, they have such difficulty exhaling that they're breathing like that. That lack of oxygen makes everything worse. It's just showing how stressed out and how hard it is inside their body and the chemistry to live. That's not the way to do it, and that's why they're here. I'm helping them with that. One of the many things, of course, but part of our healing is just breathing. Air is our friend, I say. If we all took a deep breath right now, there's still plenty to go around. So it's time for us to really learn how to breathe. One of the things I use are my chimes. Let me show you. They're right here. So you gently hit them. Now there, 3 deep breaths. Exhaling a little longer than we inhale allows the body to clean itself and allows it to begin to flow again. That's the goal. After any setback, people, no matter what kind it is, the person is really working on getting their equilibrium back, being able to function again in the way they're used to. Breathing is critical. Without air, we don't make it. Holding our breath holds in the pain. It's no good. So may you stay focused and stay aligned, and may you breathe full, long, luscious breaths. That's how you'll sail through any setbacks in your life.